Okay, folks, you're back to today's product review from Heart, Mind, Soul and the HMS Nation. Here, I'll just flip this over, zoom in there so you can see that. Heart, Mind, Soul and the HMS Nation. Now, this holofoil sticker is part of our Ancient Menace series that we did. A beautiful holofoil sticker. It was really an R&D, research and development project that we've been doing to really push the limits on everything that we're doing here, and really neat kind of product. I'm happy with the, in fact, beyond happy with the way that this blue kind of purple tint came out on this sticker. That's why I wanted to show you this. Now, you can get these stickers inside specially marked packs, these Ancient Menace trading cards, or these ghetto blasters here. Now it says they're not for kids, so 17 plus. If you're trying to buy this product, really kind of nice there. We'll do a review on that later. That's how you can get these stickers if you want. Or if you want custom stickers with your product or design, you can go to hmsnation.com and get a free quote. All you have to do is ask for custom holographic stickers. So you can reference this video if you like. So kind of go over this here. Real nice, just amazing amount of detail that we were able to print in this. You've got that 4-star hidden mysterious secret there in the treasure chest, Ancient Menace logo and the corresponding colors here. We put a nice kind of varnish on top of this to help these be a little bit more weather resistant. If you get one of these in your hand, you'll feel it, or if you stick it on something, you'll see. And there's the little checklist on the back. You can see peel them, stick them, trade them, or collect them all the different little characters that you can get from the Ancient Menace series. So again, this is just a little product that we're doing to showcase the blue holofoil sparkle there. It just looks so cool. This has also got a little surfer girl. We're going to do another review on her later. But anyways, you can get more information about this product online from Heart, Mind, Soul and the HMS Nation, or just go to ancientmenace.com.